Today I will demonstrate the automated reports. In my example, I will be setting up a report to be automatically sent to a senior manager so they can track their employees' progress in a particular series of online courses. To set this up, I'm going to go to the Automated Reports area. I can get there from the Reports tab. I just click the Course Reports tile and then click the Automated Reports tile. I'll go ahead and set up a new report. The first thing that I'm going to do is give this report a title. Next, I will set the delivery method. The options are to email it or save it as a file. I'm going to choose the option to have it do both. The next thing I can do is specify when this report should run. There are various options here, as you can see. In this example, I will set it up to run on the 1st of every month. Since this report will be sent as an email, I will fill out the email settings here. Now I will set up the filters for the report. Setting up this area is what determines what will be on the report. First, I want this report to include employees from the production user group. Then, I want to narrow it down a little bit further by selecting the employees involved specifically in the equipment servicing area of production. Lastly, I want this report to include just the orientation courses. The last part of setting this up is configuring which data fields should be included in the report, and also in what order they should appear. The available data fields are shown on the left, and the data items that will appear on the report are on the right. Looking at these default items to appear on the report, I don't need all of these. So I'm going to remove a few of these. The user login and the current average. There are some additional fields that I do want to add in. I want the user's manager ID, for example. So I'll move that over. I will also move that data item up so it appears where I'd like it to in the report. I also want the user's division on the report as well. So I'll move that one over as well and move it up. Okay, now I'll save the report. There are a few other things that I can do with this report from this area. I can toggle each report to be enabled or disabled. I can manually run a report on demand. I can view a report which will contain an archive of saved reports if that is part of the delivery method. I can edit an existing report. And finally, I can delete a report. I will run the report real quick so it generates a save. Now I'll click the View button. Along the top, you see information on the report. It tells me how the report gets generated and what data fields are on the report. Down here are all the saved reports. For this report, we would get one save per month. But as I just ran the report on demand a moment ago, here is that saved report file. So as you can see, the automated reports are fairly easy to set up and are quite flexible. Thanks for watching.